Hey, friends and followers, it is Katie and Luke from the Fresh Coast Motel. Luke, exciting news. Our calendar for 2024 just opened.
Yep.
Tell me a little bit more about this contactless experience.
Yeah, good question. We've been getting a lot of these questions. So contactless does not mean you can't contact us. So you're still going to have a text line and a phone number that's given to you upon confirming your reservation. So you still have a way to get a hold of us if anything were to go wrong during your stay or you ran out of supplies. You can text us. One of the big things is this has been around for a long time. So it hasn't really been that prevalent in Door County specifically. But we're super excited to be able to, have you make your reservation, show up when is convenient for you. You don't have to worry about getting to an office before it closes. There's no keys involved. There's no keys that you have to keep, a hold of if you go across the street to the beach or anything like that. You don't have to worry about losing a key. So it's made to enhance the guest experience, and we're excited to share this new idea with Door County.
So, like, if something goes wrong, like let's say my toilet's
Mm-hmm.
constantly running, or there's an air conditioning problem, or anything like that, like, how are guests going to be able to, contact us to be able to get it fixed?
I guess we haven't really thought of that. No, I'm just kidding. No, we have that all covered. So you're literally, like I said, you'll have a phone number, you have a text line available. Anything goes wrong, you need any sort of maintenance, you can text that. We'll have somebody readily available to fix any of that immediately. And we will also have strategically located supply closets that guests have access to for things like extra towels, soap, shampoo, anything that you might run out of or need more of during your stay, we will have available for you during your stay.
Wow, that sounds like a ton of autonomy as a guest, and it sounds awesome to say the least.
Yeah, we're excited. Like I said, I think it's been a long time coming to Door County, and we're excited to kind of be the first ones to really implement it. And I think our guests are going to love it.
Yeah, it
Hmm.
sounds like it. Well, everybody, contactless is actually contactful,
Yeah,
to say the
yeah,
least.
you can still get a hold of us.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Luke. Learn more about the Fresh Coast Motel at freshcoastmotel.com.